Hi, Morgan. I'm so glad that you asked about Grammarly. I'm happy to help. So let me walk you through the process. Step 1, open up Google Chrome. Step 2, in the URL bar, you're going to type in chrome.google.com, and I'll highlight it up here for you to see. Boom. It should take you right to the Chrome Web Store, which I'm on right now. And then in the search bar, you are going to type in Grammarly. It's really important that you spell it correctly. So Grammarly. And the Grammarly for Chrome app should come right up. Now, because I already have it, I don't have an add to Chrome button. It just says rate it. So for you, it'll say add to Chrome. And then from there, if you can just follow my cursor at the top of your screen, it'll actually come up as like a little icon. And, oh, I think I need to log in. Okay, log in. Log in with your Google. I'm pretty sure that's how this works. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so I want to log in with my Google. For you, you're going to log in with your school account. For me, I'm going to log in with my school account. My computer's working very hard today. It's a little slow. Great, and I'm going to click install now. Is this working? Yeah, okay. Waiting for it to download. Okay, now it's opening. Doing its thing. Still doing its thing. Aha, okay, I'm gonna drag this over to applications. There we go. Boom, shakalaka. I think I'm ready to go. Let's try it. And ba-boom! I am installed, and it's now working on my Chrome. Okay, it says you can't improve on perfection. Naturally, Grammarly's browser extension is disabled while you use the Grammarly editor. Okay, I don't really ever use this. Now that it's installed as an extension, it will just automatically let me know when there's an error in my documents. Okay, I think that's everything you need to know to get Grammarly set up on your computer as a Chrome extension. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to do another one of these videos. All right, bye.